Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by ensuring safety and compatibility before you program any remote. Disconnect power at the opener to avoid electrical hazard and accidental movement. Check the remote case or manual to confirm it uses 315 MHz or 390 MHz frequency for compatibility. Replace the battery with a fresh one, typically a 3VCR 2032 coin cell, before you begin. Stand within 10 feet of the opener while programming to ensure a strong signal and locate the opener Learn button on the back or side of the motor housing. Press the Learn button one time to start a 30-second pairing window indicated by a blinking LED. Within that 30 seconds, press and hold the remote button you want to pair until the opener lights blink or you hear a click. Release the button and wait 5 seconds before testing. Stand about 10 feet away and press the paired button to confirm the door opens and closes reliably. If you need to program multiple remotes, clear all existing codes first using the opener menu. For rolling code models, follow the manufacturer sequence exactly to avoid temporary lockout or mismatched codes. When programming fails, move closer to the motor within 3-5 feet and retry using fresh batteries in the remote. If a keypad is involved, enter the PIN, then press Learn, then press the keypad button to pair. Finally, secure the garage door, opener housing, and restore power before final testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.